Welcome friends. Today's topic is already we discussed Maxwell relations and the mathematical exact differential concepts. Okay, with the continuation of this, today also we discuss some derivative part. Okay, which is related to internal energy, enthalpy, and entropy. Okay, internal change of internal energy and change of enthalpy and change of entropy. Okay, this relations is with the help of exact differentiation, derived with the help of exact differentiations. Okay, then first we discuss about the internal energy delta U. Okay, first we discuss about the internal energy. Here the internal energy is a function of in that unit all the uh, parameters is termed as a function of certain another parameters. Okay, with the help of this equation alone we derive the conceptual things. Okay, then first one, the change in internal energy. Change in internal energy, so we can assume U is a function of U of T and V. U is a function of T and V. See that function. U is a function of T and V. Okay. Remember the exact differential chain rule. Then du equal to dou u by dou T at constant volume dt plus dou u by dou V into constant volume T into dV. It's the relation from chain rule. Okay, here remember that Cv equal to specific heat Cv equal to dou u by dou T. Specific heat Ch equal to dou u by dou h by dou T. Please remember the equation delta U equal to Cv dt, neglect the mass, and delta H equal to Cp dt. These equations are already studied in the first unit. From that Cv equal delta U by delta T and Cp equal delta H by delta T. With the help of these equations in differential form, then Cv equal to dou U by dou T at the constant volume, because Cv means specific heat at the constant volume. Okay, then using Cv equal to dou U by dou T at constant volume, substitute that equation dou U by dou T, then du equal to Cv dt plus dou U by dou V at constant temperature into dV. Okay, then we have some relation. That relation from the Maxwell derivation, the relation is used to derive the Maxwell equations. Then du equal to TdS minus PdV. d equal to TdS minus PdV. Okay, this one relation. The relation is from Maxwell equations. Okay, then du equal to TdS minus PdV. Equate. Then now we assume entropy is function of temperature and volume. Okay, entropy is a function of temperature and volume. Another assumption. Okay, first internal energy is the function of T and V. Here temperature is a function of T and V. Then using same chain rule, ds equal to dou s by dou T at constant volume dt plus dou s by dou V at constant temperature dV. Okay, then substituting ds, this ds value into this side, then du equal to T into dou s by dou T at constant volume dt plus dou s by dou V at constant volume, constant temperature dV into T minus PdV. We get one equation. That equation is, in their book they are directly writing the second step. I write again the previous step. Then du equal to T bracket dou s by dou t into dt plus dou s by dou v into dv close the bracket dou s by dou t into v close the bracket okay. Then substitute the ds in previous equation, then du equal to t into within bracket this term and minus pdv. In the next step, in both the equation, both the places, dv, then t equal to du equal to t into dou s by dou t into dt plus dou s by dou v and p. Both the terms, dv is common one, then what they take out of the dv from the bracket, then dou s by dou v into t minus p in dv. Okay, we get this equation. Then here equating the coefficient of dt and dv in equation, in previous equation. Compare these two equations. Here dv, here dt. Compare the coefficient of dt, here cv and t into dou s by dou t into dv. And dv, the coefficients of dv is dou u by dou v, which is equal to dou s by dou v into t minus b. Okay, compare these two equations. Okay, du and dt and cv. In terms of cv, here t into dou s by dou t is there, and in terms of dou u by dou v at constant temperature, here dou s by dou v into t minus p is there. Okay, then therefore cv equal t into dou s by dou t into v, and dou u by dou v at t equal to t into dou s minus dou s by dou v minus b. Okay, comparing these two equations, we get cv and dou v by dou v with another value. Okay, then using third Maxwell relation. Okay, third Maxwell relation. Maxwell relations are four. Okay, using third Maxwell relation, dou s by dou v at constant temperature, which is equal to dou p by dou t at constant volume. Okay, dou s by dou v at constant temperature, which is equal to dou p by dou t at constant volume. Okay, we get dou u by dou. Therefore, here the dou s by dou v term is there. Therefore, substitute the third Maxwell relation. Therefore, we get dou u by dou v at constant temperature, which is equal to t into dou p by dou t minus p. Okay, instead of I substitute dou p by dou t at constant volume instead of dou s by dou v at constant temperature. Okay, then the final equation is du equal to cv dt plus t into dou p by dou t minus p into dv. Okay, then the change in internal energy equal to u2 minus u1 equal to integral of t1 to d2 cv dt plus integral of v1 to v2 t into dou p by dou t minus p into dv. The final equation. Change in internal energy. Okay, change in internal. U is a function, u is a function of t and v, and s is a function of t and v. With the help of these two equations, we can derive the concepts. And using Maxwell relations also enhance the helps the derivation. Okay, then change in enthalpy. Similarly, same concept. Okay, but here the enthalpy is a function of t and p. Okay, not t and v, is a t and p. Is only different. and entropy is a function of T and P. Okay, so only a difference, and the derivations remaining are the same. T is equal to dou H by dou T into dt plus dou H by dou P is chain rule. Then here Cp equal to dou H by dou T, then substitute things, then T is equal to Cp dt plus dou H by dou P into dP, and using the relation d is equal to Tds plus Vdp, and S is the function of T and P. Using same chain rule, we get the relation. Okay, then ds is substitute the ds value in the equation ds, then dh equal to T into the whole term plus Vdp. Then small rearrangement, dh is equal to T into dou S by dou T into dt plus here dp and dp is common, therefore the dp is came out from the bracket, then T into dou S by dou P plus V into dp. Then compare these two equations. Here we get Cp equal to T into dou S by dou T, and dou H by dou P equal to T into dou S by dou P plus V. Okay. Then finally, using the fourth Maxwell relation, this dou X by dou P equal to dou V by dou T at P, and substitute the fourth Maxwell equation in that equation, and d is equal to Cp dt plus V minus T into dou V by dou T at constant pressure into dP. Okay, the same concept, using the same concept is followed in a change in internal energy derivation, but here Cp is different when compared to Cv. Okay, then dh equal Cp dt, and using integration concept, and h2 minus h1 equal to integral of t1 to t2 into Cp dt plus integral of v1 p1 to p2, because dp is a variable here, therefore p1 to p2 into v minus t into dou v by dou t at the constant pressure. Okay, then change in internal energy and change in enthalpy is simple one. Here we have we take two assumptions. One, change in the internal energy, U is a function of T and V. With the help of this, we have one chain rule, and S is a function of T and V. With the help of this equation, also we have another chain rule, and with the help of Maxwell relation, third relation, we derive the change in internal energy derivation. Same manner, same manner, we have derived the change in enthalpy equation also. Okay, here the enthalpy is a function of T and P, and S is a entropy is a function of T and P. It's only different. Okay. Then change in entropy. Okay, change in entropy is also called the TDS relations. Okay, TDS relations. TDS relations. Very important derivation. Change in entropy, TDS relations. Okay, we have three relations. Okay, in change in entropy, one relation, and change in enthalpy also one relation. But entropy point of view, we have three relations. Okay, which are called TDS relations. Okay, so let me see one by one. Okay, first relation, S is a function of T and V, which implies one relation, and S is a function of P and T, which implies another relation, and S is a function of P and V, which also implies another relation. Okay, therefore we have three relations. Yes, let me see one by one. Then first one. First one, equation 1, then ds is equal to dou S by dou T at this equation is for 1. Okay, same rule, ds equal to dou S by dou T at V dt plus dou S by dou V at d. then multiply with t throughout the equation, then TdS equal to t into dou s by dou t into dt plus t into dou s by dou v into dv. Okay, then ds equal to for constant volume process ds equal to cv into dt by t, because ds equal to what? ds equal to dq by t, common formula. ds equal to tq by t. Okay, then dq equal to tds, the common formula in according to the second law of thermodynamics. Then dq for constant volume is cv dt, dq for constant pressure is cp dt. Okay, it's also a general formula. Therefore, using that formula, ds at constant volume is equal to cv dt by dt. Okay. From this, cv equal to t into dou s by dou t. Okay, ds, then cv equal to dou s by dou t into t. Okay, then from the Maxwell third relation, dou s by dou v equal to dou p by dou t at constant volume. Okay, therefore TdS equal to t into dou s by dou t is replaced by cv. Okay, then TdS equal to cv dt plus dou s by dou v is replaced by Maxwell third relation, which is dou p by dou t. Then t into dou p by dou t into dv. Then TdS equal to cv dt plus t into dou p by dou t into dv. This is the first TdS relation. Okay, the relation for s is a function of t and v. Okay, very simple relation. Okay, first using chain rule, then for second law of thermodynamics concept, ds equal to dq by t, and dq is for constant volume process. Then the constant volume process, the formula is dv dt, and with small rearrangement, cv equal to t into s by dou t into, then replace the term in TdS equation with the cv, and dou s by dou v is replaced by Maxwell's third relation. Then we get the final equation, which is the first TdS relation. Okay, then rewriting the TdS relation into change in entropy concept. Divided by the t, then Ts equal to cv into dou t by dt by t plus dou p into dou p by dou t into dv. Okay, divided by the t throughout the equation. Okay, then from ideal gas, PV equal to RT, then P by V equal to R by V equal to P by T. R by V equal to P by T. Okay, for constant volume process, R by V equal to dou P by dou T. Okay, for constant volume process, R by V equal to dou P by dou T. Then ds equal to cv into dou t by t plus r by v into d. Okay, this r by dou p by dou t is because the constant volume process, the integral of dou p by dou t is a constant one, therefore r by v. Then substitute the dou p by dou t into r by v, then we get ds equal to cv dou t by dou t plus r by v into d. So neglected the beta and k functions. Okay, so not our scope. Similarly, the second derivation is derived from the second concept, second function. S is a function of p and t. Okay, it's a function of p and t. The same concept. The chain first write the chain rule ds equal to dou s by dou t dt and dou s by dou p into dp. and multiplied with T in LHS and RHS. TDS equal T into dou S by dou T and T into dou S by dou P into dP. And for constant pressure process, the ds is equal to dq by t, the dq is equal to cp into dt by t. Okay, from this cp equal to t into s by dou t into p. Substitute the things, and from fourth Maxwell relation, and dou s by dou p equal to dou v by dou t into minus psi. Okay, substitute these two equations, cp and this into cp is substitute and dou s by dou t is substitute here, and we get the final equation is TdS equal to cp dt minus t into dou v by dou t into dp. Okay, the Maxwell's second TdS second relation. Then from this, the change in entropy ds is equal to cp dt by d minus dou v by dou t into dp. And here same concept, for ideal gas R by P equal to V by T. Then for constant pressure process, that R by P equal to dou V by dou T. And substitute the dou V by dou T value into the R by P value for the dou V by dou T in that equation. Then we get the final equation. The change in entropy is ds is equal to Cp in dt by T minus R by P into dP. Okay, this is another entropy relation for constant pressure process. In previous is for constant volume process, which is the and constant volume process having different TdS relation, and constant pressure process having different TdS relation. Okay, then the final TdS relation is the beta as not our scope. The final TdS relation is S is a function of P and B. The same concept, ds equal to ds by dp in dp plus dou s by dou v into dv. Okay, I multiply with t, and the t equal to t into dou s by dou p into dp plus dou s by dou v into t dv. It's also chain, another chain rule, chain relation. It is from mathematics. Consider three functions. Okay, consider three functions. The three functions which is called z is a function of x, y, xy z is a function of xy, or f of function of xy. Then the chain rule is dou s by dou z by dou x plus into dou z by dou x into dou x by dou y into dou y by dou z, which is equal to -1. It's a chain rule, another chain relation. Okay, with the help of chain relation, I introduced the terms dou s by dou p, because s is a function of p and v. Therefore, dou s by dou p into dou p by dou t into dou v by dou t by dou s. Okay, which is equal to 1, the chain relation. Okay, it is the chain relation. Then from that, dou s by dou p, which is equal to the reciprocal of dou s by dou t and dou t by dou p. That dou s by dou t and dou t by dou p, which is equal to dou s by dou t. So dou s by dou p is equal to dou s by dou t. The dou s by dou t at constant volume process, which is equal to, it is nothing but in previous step we derived dou s is equal to cv dt by t. Dou s at constant volume is equal to cv into dt by t. From this, dou s by dou t equal to cv by t. Okay, dou s by dou t equal to cv by t, then dou t by dou p. Okay, it's a longer procedure to find out the final TDS relations. Okay, but you stop the derivation up to the level. It's enough. These things are not enough, not need. Okay, because derivation is in the beta and gamma. The beta, what is beta and what is gamma, I explain in next derivation. But in the TDS relation point of view, you can stop this derivation from up to this. Okay, up to this means 9.50. Okay, the third TDS relation. Okay, first TDS relation is from T and B, second TDS is from T and P, and third relation is from P and B. Okay, it's a main important derivation. In next derivation, I explain what is beta and what is gamma, what the significance of beta and gamma in next class. Okay, thank you.